Those who have gone over the data and the forms posted on the whistleblowers website have confirmed the authenticity of the data. The election wasn't even close. According to the IBC whistleblower data, we won handily with over 2 million votes. Allow me to make a few observations about the data. Niendelee. First, we carried the traditional strongholds of the coast, western, northeastern, lower eastern, Nyanza, and Nairobi with comfortable, often overwhelming margins. But it was our performance in the Mount Kenya region where we broke all records. The people of the mountain voted for us as they have never done before. I want to take the opportunity to thank the inhabitants of the mountain for giving us an insurmountable margin in the election. According to the IBC whistleblowers and our own internal figures, our opponents beat us all in parts of the Rift Valley. Everywhere else across this diverse and great land, we beat them thoroughly. Hello? We know